whatever we can do to add texture, flavor, and eye appeal to our dishes makes low sodium cooking so much easier. I used to do my tortilla strips just for green salads and tortilla soup. Then, when we had company, then I'd put the things on the table in a bowl of these. Got kind of surprised at times. Folks would take some and put them on top of the scalloped potatoes. Oh, take a couple bites, put some more on top. Beef stroganoff, things I never would have thought of. Added a crunch that folks like. Had a lot of people ask me what brand they were. Well, Arizona brand has got white corn tortillas. 2 of these tortillas has 5 milligrams of sodium. I only had 4 tortillas, so we're going to have 10 on this whole sheet. There's no oil. We just cut them in strips. My oven is preheating at 375 degrees. We'll cut them, put them in there for 5 minutes. They're thin, so they don't take long to cook. Just cut them in half, then cut. Like this, then cut two at a time, 2 pieces at a time. About 1/3 of an inch, around about that. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. In they go, in my oven for 5 minutes. Ovens vary, but that's what my thermometer says it's set at. We don't want these to get dark brown. They're just a tiny bit darker than they were when we put them in there, and they're crispy. You're going to be surprised what people will end up putting these on, and they think you're just so clever.